Every time a building collapses, it is reported as a tragedy. Lives are lost, families are shattered, and dreams disappear in seconds. But after the headlines fade, one important question is rarely asked. What really caused it? The truth is, buildings rarely fail overnight. They fail silently over many years. Small warning signs go unnoticed until the damage becomes too severe to ignore. As a structural engineer, I often ask myself, could this have been prevented? As a father, I couldn't imagine my own family living inside a building with hidden structural risks. That question changed everything. I realized I had two choices. I could express sympathy after every tragedy, or I could dedicate myself to preventing them. I chose the second. As we studied buildings across different regions, one pattern became clear. Most structural problems weren't sudden. They were the result of years of gradual deterioration. And one silent enemy was responsible for accelerating that damage: water seepage and dampness. What begins as a small damp patch can allow water to penetrate concrete, corrode steel reinforcement, create cracks, and weaken the structure from within. By the time visible damage appears, repair costs and safety risks have increased significantly. For most families, a home is their life's biggest investment. It represents years of hard work, savings, and EMIs. Yet hidden deterioration can slowly turn that dream into a financial and safety burden. The impact goes beyond individual homes. When buildings deteriorate prematurely, they require major repairs or reconstruction, consuming more cement, steel, energy, and natural resources while increasing carbon emissions. Extending the life of existing buildings is one of the most powerful yet overlooked sustainability solutions. This belief became the foundation of Cyond. We didn't start Cyond just to repair leaks. We started it to transform how buildings are diagnosed, maintained, and protected. By combining engineering expertise with technology, data, AI, and scientific inspections, we're bringing intelligence and standardization to building health. So far, we've assessed over 1.5 lakh buildings across India and the Middle East, and nearly 67% showed signs of seepage, corrosion, cracks, or structural distress. This is not an isolated problem. It's one of the biggest engineering challenges affecting our built environment. Our mission is to make 1 million homes leak-free, extend the life of buildings, protect families and investments, and reduce unnecessary carbon emissions. Our vision is to build India's building health intelligence platform, where every building has a digital health record, deterioration is detected early, and maintenance is driven by engineering and data. Because protecting buildings is ultimately about protecting people, preserving resources, and creating a safer, more sustainable future. This is our purpose. This is our mission. This is why Cyond exists. We see beyond.